Hello, I'm Dr. Greg George. If you are listening to this video, then you, like many others, are probably attempting to identify the course that will help you to best utilize the time and effort you are about to invest in preparing for the anesthesia oral boards. More importantly, you're looking for the course that will provide you with the information and skills that you need to best demonstrate sufficient knowledge and sound judgment, avoid common mistakes, and maximize your chances of passing this very important examination. So, why choose the Ultimate Board Prep? The rest of this presentation is designed to introduce you to our philosophy and method of preparation for one of the most challenging examinations of your career, the anesthesia oral boards. Most oral board preparation courses simply provide you a form for practice, and the truth is, anything that encourages practice has some value. Unfortunately, the vague feedback and superficial clinical discussions provided at many of these courses often fails to improve your test-taking skills beyond that which would have occurred had you spent the same amount of time practicing at home. Our goal at the Ultimate Board Prep is to do more than simply provide a form for practice. Our goal is to show you how to master the anesthesia oral boards. We want to prepare you to excel even when presented with the most challenging and complex clinical scenario and or facing the most difficult and unforgiving examiner. The Ultimate Board Prep program is based on 3 pillars of success. Number 1, in-depth clinical discussions focusing on judgment and adaptability. Number 2, a proven curriculum designed to show you the best approach to taking the exam. And number 3, opportunities to practice applying our strategies, including a private coaching session with either Dr. Smith or myself. Let's discuss each of these pillars. First, in-depth clinical discussions. When you attend the Ultimate Board Prep, you will be exposed to multiple mock oral exams covering a multitude of difficult and controversial clinical scenarios that are favorites of the American Board of Anesthesiology. Unlike other courses, each mock exam will be followed by a thorough clinical discussion, emphasizing the pros and cons of the various management options available in addressing the most difficult and challenging issues encountered during the exam. Participating in this type of discussion serves to improve your ability to weigh risks and benefits, anticipate potential complications, and demonstrate flexibility when managing complicated clinical scenarios. This is the first pillar of our program's success. The second pillar of our program's success is the implementation of a proven curriculum designed to demystify and familiarize you with the actual exam. Point out the most common mistakes made by examinees and how to avoid those mistakes. Make you aware of the often bad advice offered by well-meaning colleagues. Show you how to deliver a substantial amount of relevant information with clarity and within a very short period of time. Teach you how to quickly change the focus of the exam from what you don't know to what you do know, and ultimately, show you how to make an impression of competence and sound judgment during this important and subjective examination. The third pillar of our program's success is practice. When attending our course, you will have the opportunity to participate in both private and public mock oral examinations. Since we believe that the way you practice makes a difference, we will use these occasions to offer advice and to continually reinforce the communication techniques introduced in the curriculum. Moreover, you will have the opportunity to participate in a private coaching session with myself or Dr. Smith in order to identify any areas of weakness and improve your technique. Finally, you can receive private exams in the comfort of your home through the Ultimate Board Prep at-home program. This program is designed for those who are unable to attend one of our courses, have attended an early course and wish to practice with trained examiners prior to the actual exam, or are planning to attend the course the week before the exam but would like to begin learning and applying Ultimate Board Prep techniques as soon as possible. We know how important it is to you that you pass this examination. We know that the time you have available for preparation is often limited by practice constraints, family, and other obligations. We firmly believe that attending the Ultimate Board Prep is the best way to maximize your invested time and effort in preparation for the anesthesia oral boards. The Ultimate Board Prep is simply the most effective anesthesia oral board course available. Make sure to fill out the form below to receive our free report, The Top 10 Reasons Smart People Fail. This report covers the most common mistakes made by examinees and includes a sample oral board question with answers formulated using the techniques taught at the course. Thank you for considering the Ultimate Board Prep. We look forward to helping you with your preparation for the anesthesia oral boards.